ended my business presentation. Because sa araw na to, sa pitsa na to, you are going to make the biggest decision in your life. And that decision will change your life forever. I guarantee you, ladies and gentlemen, 2 to 3 years from now, by doing Live Good, your life will never be the same anymore. Lalo na po to our mga OFWs, I can relate. Because my wife used to be an OFW. Alam ko buhay OFW. Grabe yung sakripisyo niyo para sa pamilya niyo. Ang daming OFW natin, ilang years na dyan. Pero yung pangarap nila, pangarap pa rin. They cannot afford to go home for good. Bakit? Magugutom pamilya nila. Kaya, pwede ba natin? Pwede ba gumawa tayo ng isang movement? The Live Good movement. Pauwiin natin lahat nating kababayan na OFW in 2 to 3 years from now. Thank you very much. This is your Diamond Coach, Elmo Bayer. Happy holidays and happy and abundance 2024. Maraming salamat and God bless po.